Hailstorm in Minnesota, U.S. August 12, 2023.
Guess I'm gonna have to go a different way to get to.
A line of severe thunderstorms with gusty winds and large hail battered Minnesota's Twin Cities on Friday, August 11. The storms also brought heavy rains, causing flash flooding in some areas. Large spherical hail pelted the Twin Cities and other parts of Minnesota during thunderstorms that left thousands without power and dented vehicles in its wake early Friday evening. Downtown Minneapolis went dark as night for a few minutes during the storm. The storms dropped hail as large as tennis balls in parts of Minneapolis, and many other communities saw smaller hail shred leaves accumulate on lawns and wash into gutters and ditches along with the torrential rain. Much of the eastern part of the state, including the Twin Cities metro, was in a severe thunderstorm watch until 10 p.m. Friday. Wind gusts as strong as 60 mph were reported, as was large hail in many parts of the metro. Xcel Energy reported about 19,000 customers lost power at the storm's peak in the Twin Cities metro, with about 4,000 in the West Metro and 15,000 in the East Metro losing power. Xcel spokesperson Kevin Cott said the outages were due to high winds and hail. The large thunderstorms that passed through the area created prime conditions for hail that size. Weather Service meteorologist Tyler Hazenstein said, "When the storms are so large, the hail pellets grow as strong updraft connect with the hail and cause it to pick up more ice. The storm pummeled Plymouth with a concentrated swath of hail before cutting through downtown Minneapolis into St. Paul," Hazenstein said. At one apartment building parking lot in the Whittier neighborhood of Minneapolis, the majority of parked vehicles had smashed front or rear windows. Vehicles parked on the street fared a little better, possibly because of the tree canopy.